Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about Forest River's Flagstaff Super Lite line of travel trailers and fifth wheels. With a total of 24 floor plans, the Flagstaff Super Lite line has plenty to offer outdoor-loving couples and families. Let's jump right in and check out the Flagstaff Super Lite. Rather than bounce between the travel trailer and fifth wheel lines, I'm going to focus on the Flagstaff Super Lite travel trailer line first. A baker's dozen, the travel trailers come in lengths from 25 feet to just over 32 feet and have a range in dry weight from close to 5,600 pounds up to nearly 8,000. The floor plans are pretty evenly divided between couples and family layouts, but let's take a good look at the bunkhouse models first, starting with the 26BWS, the WS standing for wardrobe slide. Most of the travel trailers in the Flagstaff Super Lite line have a wardrobe slide in the bedroom plus a Serta queen bed. The 26BWS is no exception. The 26BWS has an additional living area slide holding a U-shaped dinette and the fridge. Its bunks are double over double on the camp side, which makes a 26BWS capable of sleeping 8 people. The 26BWS also has an outside kitchen. Next up, we have the 27BHWS. The main difference between it and the 26BWS is in the 27BHWS, the living area slide is larger, adds a hide-to-bed sofa, and moves the fridge to the campside. Therefore, it can sleep a whopping 10 people. Number 3 of 4 bunkhouse models is the 29BHS. This model has the same living area slide as the 27BHWS, but puts the queen bed on a slide. The bunk area, a quad bunk system with 2 twin bunks and a cube sofa, is an actual bunk room with a solid door. The 29BHS has an outside kitchen and can sleep up to 10 as well. The final bunkhouse is the 29BDS. It's a bunkhouse bath and a half combo, as it has a private bunk room sleeping up to 3, but a half bath attached to the bunk room that also has an exterior entry. The 29BDS has an identical living area slide, but it's on the camp side. It also has 3 slides, the other 2 being a wardrobe slide and a bunk slide. That's it for the bunkhouses. The 9 remaining floor plans are split in thirds, with the first 3 being rear bath models. The 25-foot 23FBDS has a U-shaped dinette on a slide, a kitchen slide, plus a Murphy bed to create a lot of space in the living area. The good-sized bathroom has a tall neo-angle shower as well. Up next is the 26RBWS with its bathroom spreading across the entire back wall and a very nice L-shaped kitchen. There's a large living area slide with a convertible dinette and hide-to-bed sofa. With the queen bed, the 26RBWS is capable of sleeping up to 5. The 29RBS, the largest of the true rear bath Flagstaff Super Lite models, has dual slides. The identical living area slide is a 26RBWS plus a queen bed with an optional king on its own slide. The rear bath is very large and includes a walk-in closet and washer-dryer prep. The L-shaped kitchen is complemented by an outside kitchen. Now let's move on to the rear living models, the 26RLWS, 26RSWS, and 29RSWS. The 26RLWS and 26RSWS are pretty similar. They both have a large living area slide with a convertible dinette. The 26RLWS adds a hide-to-bed sofa into the slide, whereas the 26RSWS has the fridge and pantry in the slide. Both have 2 entry doors, one a private entry into the master bedroom. Each also has a walk-through bathroom. The 26RLWS has 2 swivel chairs on its back wall and is set up where the L-shaped kitchen breaks up the living area. The 26RSWS corners the L-shaped kitchen, which focuses the living area on entertainment, as the dinette and hide-to-bed sofa have a direct view to the entertainment center. The 29RSWS is similar to the 26RSWS, only it adds a campside slide that contains the dinette and entertainment center. This slide directly opposes a slide holding theater seating, as well as the major kitchen appliances. The 29RSWS has a large kidney-shaped kitchen counter, as well as an outside kitchen. The final 3 Flagstaff Super Lite travel trailer floor plans are all kitchen-focused. The sole front kitchen layout, the 26 FKBS, has 2 slides, one pushing out the queen bed to dramatically open up the master bedroom. The master bedroom also has its own private entry and private access to the bathroom. A large living area slide pushes out the hide-a-bed sofa and dinette, creating a great living space next to the L-shaped kitchen with large countertop space. The 26 FKBS also has a fireplace. The 27 RKWS and 29 RKWS both have the exact same front layout with queen bed, wardrobe closet, solid privacy door, and direct access to the bathroom with a neo-angle shower. Where they differ is in the back. The 27 RKWS has opposing slides housing the hide-a-bed sofa, fridge, and pantry in one, dinette and entertainment center with a fireplace in the other. The kitchen dominates the entire back wall, plus there's a larger outside kitchen in the 27 RKWS as opposed to the 29 RKWS. What the 29 RKWS has that 27 does not is an extremely large L-shaped kitchen commandeering the back end with an adjacent chase sofa. So, that is that for the Flagstaff Super Lite travel trailers. Let's move our focus onto the 11 fifth wheels. The fifth wheels fall from just over 7,100 pounds to just over 9,800 pounds in dry weight and in length from 28.5 feet up to 36 feet. Every one of the Flagstaff Super Lite fifth wheel floor plans have a walk-around Serta queen bed, wardrobe slide, solid privacy door, solid pocket door access to the bathroom, and each bathroom has a neo-angle shower. As such, we will be focusing on the back end of every floor plan. Of the 11, 4 of them are bunkhouse models. The 527 BHS has bunks covering most of the back wall and opens up to the main living area, where you'll find a large living area slide with a hide-a-bed sofa and king U-shaped dinette across from an entertainment center fireplace combo and the L-shaped kitchen. The 527 BHS, along with the next one, the 529 BH, has an outside kitchen. Where the 529 BH differs is the bunk room. While still having sleeping space for 4, it is larger, has a solid pocket door for privacy, plus washer-dryer prep. A slide holding the king U-shaped dinette, fridge, and pantry sits across from the L-shaped kitchen and entertainment center with fireplace. A hide-a-bed sofa sits perpendicular to the dinette. The next one up, the 529 MBS, has a mid-bunk where a queen loft sits above an enclosed room containing a hide-a-bed sofa on a slide and entertainment center. There is an additional entertainment center on the back wall in the living area containing opposing slides. The slides hold the king U-shaped dinette and major kitchen appliances. The final fifth wheel bunkhouse is the 529 RBS. This fifth wheel has the same kitchen slide as the 529 MBS, only it's moved to the middle. A large slide on the campsite houses theater seats and a dinette. What makes the 529 RBS unique is the size of the bunk room. It sleeps 4 with a pair of twin bunks and the convertible cube sofa, but also has its own half bath, all embedded into a single room. That's it for the bunkhouses. Now it's time for the rear living models. The baby, if there is such a thing in this lineup, is the 524 LWS. It has a hide-a-bed sofa on its back wall and a slide that holds a king U-shaped dinette and fridge across from the entertainment center. The next two are the 526 KSWS and 526 RLWS. The KSWS has a freestanding dinette and entertainment center in one living area slide, a hide-a-bed sofa on the rear wall, and kitchen appliances in a campside slide. The 526 RLWS has an entertainment center fireplace combo on its back wall, so you can watch TV in either opposing slide, from the hide-a-bed sofa in the campside slide or the U-shaped dinette directly across from it. The next 3 are the 528 series: 528 CKWS, 528 IKWS, and 528 RKS. Both the CKWS and the IKWS have a kitchen island, with the CKWS having a campside slide housing the rest of the kitchen, as well as an entertainment center with fireplace. Its opposing slide houses theater seats and a dinette. The CKWS also has a really nice outside kitchen. On its rear wall sits a hide-to-bed sofa as opposed to the IKWS that has a pair of swivel chairs. This model moves the hide-to-bed to the large living area slide that also contains the major kitchen appliances. The 528 IKWS has a campside slide containing a freestanding dinette and the entertainment center fireplace combo. The 528 RKS is the only rear kitchen model in the Superlite fifth wheel lineup. It has the same large living area slide with the dinette and theater seats like the 528 CKWS, but instead of a campside slide, it has a massive L-shaped kitchen on its back wall that butts up into the entertainment center fireplace combo. The 528 RKS also has the same large outside kitchen as the 528 CKWS. We are finally at the last of the Flagstaff Super Lite fifth wheel floor plans, the 529 RLKS. Entertainment-centric, the back wall is dominated by the entertainment center fireplace combo and has two opposing slides holding a pair of hide-to-bed sofas. Directly opposite the back wall sits theater seats. This all creates a fantastic den area to lounge and watch TV in. Most of the kitchen is on a slide with booth seating and stools complementing the kitchen area. The Flagstaff Super Lite line, as you just heard, has a whole bunch of intriguing floor plans. It's about time we take a look at what makes them so special regarding features. Inside, you get beautiful cabinetry with hardwood cabinet doors in either slate wood or optional American maple, solid surface kitchen countertops, high output gas range with glass top cover, flush mount sink with high-rise faucet, and a whole lot more to make your kitchen camp comfortable. Other great interior features include 13,500 BTU fully ducted AC with a 15K option, USB charging outlets, LCD TV with soundbar, multi-zone radio and DVD player with Bluetooth control, floor ducted furnace, plus a fireplace in some travel trailers and nearly all fifth wheels. When it comes to the exterior, you'll find assets like a rear ladder, outside shower, power awning, optional bike rack, outside speakers, and an optional power tongue jack on travel trailers. As you can see, there's a whole lot to look at in the Forest River Flagstaff Super Lite line of travel trailers and fifth wheels. But if you are serious about camping in style coupled with affordability, they are certainly worth the look.